Hello, Tatyana. So good to meet you. It is my honor to welcome Tatyana to our embassy, where we will be displaying your brilliant artwork in a place of honor in our mission. I think art is an incredible form of expression for the greater public good, and here you have captured the power and the excellence of Kyrgyz women athletes who reached the pinnacle of performance as Olympians in the incredibly challenging field of wrestling. I think these athletes tell us that there is no limit to what women can accomplish. So we would like to give you this beautiful bouquet as a sign of our appreciation for your artistic excellence and the power of creative expression. Congratulations, Tatyana.
Когда я рисовала наших спортсменок, мне хотелось изобразить вот это понятие воли, очень характерное, мне кажется, для кыргызских женщин.
And I think also what's remarkable is that she highlights not only the greatness, but also she doesn't shy away from tackling really difficult issues such as bride kidnapping, gender-based violence as well. I wonder, Tatyana, if we can invite you just to say a couple of words about your work.
Вот этот рисунок, он был сделан не для того, чтобы висеть на стене, он был сделан для того, что я его нарисовала, чтобы пойти на митинг после очередного убийства.
I am so moved, Tatyana, by your expression and by bringing attention and giving voice to those who we all need to heed so we can produce better policies that embrace gender equality and the will of Kyrgyz women and women around the world to achieve their full potential, but also to the survivors of gender-based violence, the imperative for all of us to do better to meet their needs and hold perpetrators of gender-based violence accountable. So thank you for such a powerful expression and for your contributions to this embassy and to free expression around the world. Okay. Thank you.